Hello students, today we are going to learn about how to use the LMS app. Each and every student will get this app link from your school. You need to download this from Play Store or iOS. Once you download it, open the app, you will get a page like this. Then click get started. Then you will get a login page. You need to give username and password given by your school. Now I am giving username and password. Once you enter the click log, get a list of all the courses. For example, I am clicking chemistry. In that you need to see the list of all the chapter. So I am going to click courseware from the bottom. Now you can see the list of all the courses. For example, I am going to click biochemistry. You will get a biochemistry chapter. Once you studied this, need to click mark as completed and move to the next by clicking next. If you are clicking next, you will automatically move to the next chapter. In this chapter you can see images, audio and video. These images, audio, videos are uploaded by your staff for your studying purpose. If you want to see the video, click on the video. Now the video is playing. Now if you want to hear the audio, click on the audio. Also you can see tables, images, etc. Then if you completed this one, mark as complete and move to the next one. In that you have an option for zooming. Using your thumb finger and index finger, you can zooming in and zooming out like this. Then also you have the options of discussion and notes also. From the top, the discussion tab is here. Now I am clicking the discussion from the top. This is a doubt section. You can, if you have any doubts, you can ask to your staff through this app. I am going to set my doubt by clicking plus. Now I am adding some doubts. For example, I am clicking some words. Then once you enter your doubts, create post. Now your post added into the discussion session. Your staff will reply for this doubt through this app. Then the next one is notes. You can take the notes here also by clicking the plus symbol. I am going to add some notes. Like this you can type. Then click save note. Now your note is successfully saved. Then the next one is uploads. This page contains the list of resources. That is, your staff will added some resources that is related to your course. You can see the resources here. Then the next one is topics that show the list of chapters. From that you can choose the particular chapter which one you want. Now I am going to jump to unit 3. Now this topic is used to directly we can move to the particular one. Now I am going back. Yeah, here in this course page you will get an announcement. In the bottom, that's a third one, announcement. You will get a sum of announcement from your staff related to the course, because this announcement in the course page. Then I am going back. Here also we can see the announcement in the bottom. This announcement is for public purpose. You will get some announcement here, that is common announcement. Then if you want to log out from this app, click the profile from the bottom. Then click log out. Thank you.